day to everyone. If you're looking for an opportunity to start or shift your career into teaching, our CACHE courses are perfect for you. We offer various levels to help you achieve your dreams. For Level 1, you can become a nursery nanny. For Level 2, the focus is on learning support or becoming teacher assistant. At Level 3, you can be a nursery teacher or early years educator. And at Level 5, there are leadership or managerial roles in the nursery. The best part is our course fees are affordable. And we offer flexible installment plans that will surely make your monthly payments more manageable.
Our program are approved by KHDA from Dubai government and internationally accredited by NCFE UK. So rest assured that your credentials are recognized and well regarded. Nowadays, having a CACHE qualification is a must for those who wants to work in this field. It is important that your training institute is KHDA approved.
Our institute is conveniently located in Biro City Center Metro Exit 2. Look for New Century City Tower, same building updated. For more information, contact us. Achieve your dreams in teaching. Enroll now in our CACHE program.